Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a unboxing video I want to do today. I ordered something from Fashionphile, so I already cut the box open just to save time. So I got this one. Let's see, I think this is the receipt, but let's sync with this. Let's open this and see what it is. Yeah, this is a receipt. So it says, thank you so much for your purchase. As a reminder, for 180 days until March the 8th, 2020, you can sell this back to us for 70% of the purchase price. So if I decide, so basically I can use for 180 days, and if I decide to return it, they will pay me back 70%. Okay, I don't think it has the original receipt. So I am a little bit concerned about that because I don't know, like, I've never bought things from Fashionphile before. This is my first ever secondhand handbag. So I thought it should come with the original receipt, but it doesn't. Okay, we'll see. So here's in this wrapper, paper wrapper. Let me see inside a box if there's no, it doesn't have the original receipt. Nothing at all. What a bummer. I really want the original receipt. But this is the Fashionphile dust bag. So I guess, yeah, this is the bag. So it doesn't have the original receipt. It doesn't have the original dust bag. Okay, but anyways, this is a review. Can you guys guess what it is? Dun, 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 dun. This is the Fendi mini backpack. So on the Fashionphile website, they list it as excellent, condition as excellent. So here we go, a close look of the bag. And I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna really take a look at it and see if if it's truly excellent or not. So I'll be right back. Hey, I'm back. So you know how dumb I am? I just found out that yes, there is the original dust bag. It's actually inside the bag. And I also found not the original receipt, but there's a front pocket right here, and I noticed that there's some care cards right here, but they're like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them. Like, why do you need 4 different care cards? But anyways, so there are 4 of them, and then it has this thing right here. And then, honestly, I don't know what this one is. I kind of want to, sorry, I don't want to show the number on the card. But the description of this one says it's a mini camera case. But this is a mini backpack. So why would it say it's a mini camera case? I don't know. But anyways, so that's that. And then you can see that, let me sit closer. And then on the bag, it says that this is the certificate of authenticity. This item has been inspected by our team of expert authenticators and is backed by our lifetime guarantee of authenticity. And then the second tag says, once this tag has been removed, this item is yours. Okay, so basically you can, oops. Don't remove the tag unless you decide to keep it. So I just look at the bag, and I already noticed a count of this bag that I'm not gonna love, which is this part. Like, the zipper of the bag is not really like in the, on top of the bag. It's not in the middle. So when you open the bag, inevitably it bends like this. You know what I mean? Like, when you open the bag, like, this part bends like this. I can see that over time that this part of the leather is gonna get really, really creased. Yeah, and also right now it doesn't have anything. I don't really know. Like, let's see if I zip it up. Okay, let's test the zipper because I didn't do that. Oh, okay, it's a little hard to zip. You know what? Let me put the original dust bag inside. It came with not the dust bag. The what do you call these things that came with the package? Let me put the dust bag inside and let's see if that's gonna help me zip this up. So here we go. Okay. Okay. So I think, yeah, the zipper's not very smooth. It's really hard to zip or unzip. Okay, so maybe the original owner, that's why the original owner sold this bag, because the zipper's not that smooth, especially when it's empty. So yeah, I have to see, and also you can see when it's unstuffed, it kind of bends inward, just because the design of the zipper is towards the front. It's not right here in the middle. I don't know why they do that, you know, like they should have just put a zipper right in the middle. That would be a better design, right? Okay, other than that, there is a little discoloration. I don't even know what that is. Can it be picked up on the camera? You see that? Yeah, I don't know if that could be removed. And I don't see, and I see some faint scratches on the hardware. Not a lot, but just a little bit. The flowers look pretty clean and nice to me. All the flower petals look pretty nice. And I don't really see any other, oh, there's some scratches on the back. It's really hard to look to find it. It's like it's you can only see it when the light hits it, you know, like right here. Like you can see that there's indentation right here. That's like a little scratch right there. But you know, this part is okay because it's, you know, you're wearing the bag. Nobody's gonna see that. And other than that, I will say, oh, there's more indentation on the bottom. So I think the leather of this is calfskin. So I don't know. I've never had a calfskin bag before. I don't know. Hopefully this is gonna hold up. So I will have to put more stuff in there, put my stuff in there to see if it works, you know. But as for now, I think the biggest con is gonna be the zipper. It doesn't zip or unzip easily, and then when you're trying to find stuff, you have to be careful, because if you just open it up like this, unless you do this, yeah, this is better, but if you just do this, then it's gonna be bended and it's gonna crease up very easily.